Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to hide your last seen on the Telegram app for PC with the new update. If you've ever wanted a bit more privacy while using Telegram, this feature is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set your last seen status so that nobody can see when you were last online. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three little horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those lines. This will bring up a side menu with different options. From here, you'll want to go down and click on Settings. This is where all of your personal preferences and privacy controls are located. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Now, inside Privacy and Security, you'll see different options that control what others can and cannot see about your account. Find the option labeled Last Seen. This is the one that allows you to control who can see the last time you were active on Telegram. Click on Last Seen, and you'll be given different choices. If you want complete privacy, select Nobody. This way, no one will be able to see when you were last active on the app. It's a great option if you prefer to chat without others keeping track of your online activity. After selecting Nobody, don't forget the most important step. Click on Save. Without saving, your changes won't apply, and your last seen will remain visible. By saving the change, Telegram will instantly update your privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your last seen on Telegram using the desktop app. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference when it comes to controlling your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to use these steps whenever you want to adjust your privacy settings again. Staying in control of your online presence is simple once you know where to look. Thanks for watching.